iLearn Wellness Group is a multidisciplinary team of social workers, mental health counselors, mental health technicians, nurses, psychiatrists, and our purpose is having a mental health wellness center for the adolescents in our community who may be struggling with depression or anxiety, difficulties at school, or just your sort of average adolescent stressors. And iLearn Wellness Group is a place that they can come and learn coping strategies to better manage that.
What we want to be able to do is continue to teach children how to advance their own social game, right? How do they work with some of the challenges they have today? We want to be able to, in this environment, have 2 or 3 hours of instruction in the morning that gives them skills to work on those CBT and DBT foundations, but then take it into the classroom.
Up till now, when the Massachusetts resident, a young individual, is in need for hospitalization, partial hospital treatment in mental health facility, it is not so clear how they also are able to avoid falling behind in their educational studies. And here at iLearn Wellness Dreaming Program, we put everything under one roof.
I think we can really benefit Massachusetts patients, adolescents that live in this area, by allowing them to continue to be a part of their community as much as they're able to, engage in their schooling as much as they're able to, while receiving the intensive outpatient therapies that will treat their behavioral health needs. Really thoughtfully developed a program that used most current evidence-based therapies, that found personnel that were committed to doing that. So I think we're different because we are just taking so much experience, like vast experience from the last 20 years at LearnWell, from the last 50 years at Comprehensive, and really pulling it all together to design an effective program for adolescents in Massachusetts.
Really provide the best care while they are also our kids feeling that they are not falling behind. Kids will be physically removed from school. They will still be doing the same thing as their peers.
It's always a really tough decision to pull your kid away from their school setting. There's a lot of fear of them getting behind academically, isolating from their friend groups, getting out of their normal routine. But in the long term, the skills and knowledge that they are going to acquire while they're here and the safety and skills plans that they're going to develop here in the long term are hopefully going to make them more successful in their academic career or whatever it is that they choose to do post-high school.
So making a referral to iLearn Wellness Group is actually really easy. You can go to our website or you can call us, give us some basic information about the patient. Then our intake professional, Jenny, our social worker, will contact you. They'll ask you a series of questions about the patient. We're going to make sure that we have a full behavioral health history. We're then going to follow up and make a phone call to your managed care organization. We need a pre-authorization for services. We'll come back to you and talk to you about any fiscal responsibility you may have as the parent or guardian for the placement. We'll then review sort of in an assessment space the child's needs, and then we'll contact you back to bring the child in for treatment.
Our goal is to give teenagers the skills, the knowledge about their mental health issues that they might be struggling with, and just a therapeutic space for them to explore those issues, talk through them with their peers, talk through them with providers, and get the resources they need to be successful.